All right.
2020, I gave him the
Okay. So this is his blood pressure right now.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah,
That ain't bad. How long's he been like this? Like how long's he been feeling sick?
He's not finished, sir.
Over 78.
Okay. How,
This time.
so it started at around 7:45.
1900.
Okay. All right.
102.
So the only medical problem he has is high blood pressure.
Yeah. high blood
That's it.
pressure.
Nothing
Yeah,
else.
Nothing else.
Okay.
Yes, problem because
Shortness of breath. All right.
I don't know.
Two fifty three.
253.
253.
This was what they had. So this was at 1945. The doc said he gave him medicine for his blood pressure. But right now his blood pressure is great. Other than that, he's just kind of like this. I don't know. They didn't. Yeah, they didn't. Oh, you want rescue truck?
I am not even taking
Hey, let me see right here.
I'm in my back pocket. Agent said no. You speak English?
Yeah. This is speaking.
What's your name?
ऑफिसर
What's your name?
थोड़ा ऑफिसर राउंड्स के लिए गया सर मैं बताता हूँ
All right. I need you to write down his name. Birthday, you got all that? Is this for me to go with me? Wonderful.
This is a passport copy.
Okay.
And then this 2 copies.
Okay. Okay. No, it's not safe.
Mataas oh.
I'll be back.
Or it'll be ladder 44.
Ladder 44.
Yeah. Depending on what they send.
Go ahead, do 12 feet over two.
All right.
So come on, baby. All you got, you see the little picture frame down here on the right-hand side? Up, down, over this way. Right there, push it.
The little camera.
103 dispatch
Right there.
Little camera.
For a 12 lead.
No, that's take what's on the screen. That shows me
Advise
my
HFD
rhythm.
on whoever responds to my location. I will have a lead-in at the front gate of the white Dodge van.
Yeah, it's like a picture of what you see on the screen. Go ahead and do the blood pressure again right there. The stats are 99. That's perfect. You can't ask for better. So you got IV on him. He doesn't need O2. You got to monitor with a good 12 lead. We'll go
Wala kang
from there.
tulog-tulog yun,
My
ah.
pressure was very decent.
Wala kang tulog-tulog.
It's just not
Ikaw.
real though.
Inom ba kayo doon?
Yeah. They're just tangled.
Hey, Butch. Butch is too high.
Kanina, na-plan dito ba?
Feel that?
Yung dugo, tumaas.
Feel that? Butch, do you feel that? Butch.
Pina-flash man sa'yo. Ayos kayo na.
There you go. Wake up. Can you feel it?
ng misis niya.
Ano pangalan?
Ethel Binton. Ethel Binton.
Not a little bit. I don't want to shock you.
Ethel. PH na. May
Can you feel that?
Yan. Mas Binton. Binton.
B.
B. Bravo. Bravo Echo. November.
Bravo. Bravo mana?
Bravo ba? Bravo.
Bravo yung sa ano?
Bintor ba?
Bravo.
Bintor ba? Echo.
Eco.
November Tango. Oscar na. Bintor ba? Yan. Tokar. Ito yan. 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 Bye.
Yeah,
Mama
wipe
pa.
and keep him alert.
Ha? Mama pa. Hindi po na yan sa awa
Did
yan.
we have a phone number for that?
Ano sabihin nga?
Ha? Hindi, tawagan mo yun.
We have a phone number for this.
Miss call mo ba? Miss call mo.
Tuloy din man. Chat mo muna, chat mo. Ma'am, importante po.
And we have to go on the way. Yeah, keep him alert. Try to wake him. Keep him moving.
Grabe yung ilaw.
Fire department yun. Ha?
Ang hirap magkasakit pag nagbarko ka. Yan guys oh. Ang hirap magkasakit pag nagbarko ka. Matagal
Sarap
lang
lang tumanggal ng pera.
Masarap tumanggap ng pera. Pinaghihirapan. Hindi mo alam kung gaano kahirap. Oiler yan ha. Oiler. Ang dami ah. Ang dami no. Tatlo. Tao ah. Isang tao lang yan ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 ambulance and rescue.
And then we get it all hooked up. We put the guy ropes on it. Bring it down. Oh, so you got rescue. Again, I don't know if we'll be able to do this. Okay. Oh, this cheap. They said this for 2 hours. Probably can't.
Yan yung kasama namin, oiler. Alas 8 pa ng gabi. Tapos anong oras na? Mag alas 12 na ng gabi. Prangko na nakin. Wala naman akong tulog ngayon. Wala naman akong tulog.